I am your Rasayan Guru Dr. Chandramouli Sharma. I hope last 3 videos gives you the best knowledge regarding the inorganic reagent for organic synthesis. In past 3 videos, I have discussed lithium aluminum hydride, aluminum isopropoxide and osmium tetroxide. In this video, I am coming with the new reagent, that is selenium dioxide. In this video, we'll discuss about its introduction, its preparation, its application with one mechanism. For that, let's move to our class. Welcome to my class, students. Today we are going to discuss about the selenium dioxide. First of all, what about its introduction? Introduction just given on your screen. Selenium dioxide is an oxidizing agent generally employed in the allylic oxidation of alkenes to furnish allylic alcohols, which may be further oxidized to conjugated aldehydes or ketones. It is also used to oxidize alpha methylenic group adjacent to the carbonyl group to give the 1,2-dicarbonyl compound. The oxidation of the methylene group using the selenium dioxide is known as the relay oxidation. Selenium dioxide can also be used to oxidize in presence of the acids. The internal alkynes are converted into 1,2-dicarbonyl compounds where the terminal alkynes are oxidized into glyoxylic acids. Now its preparation. When selenium is reacted with the oxygen in the presence of the N2O5, then it would be converted into selenium dioxide. Now next part is the most important part, that is the applications.
Application. First application is oxidation of allylic and benzylic compounds. Selenium dioxide is used primarily for the oxidation of allylic or benzylic CH fragments to the corresponding allylic or benzylic alcohol. The order of the oxidation is CH2, then CH3, then CH. The oxidation occurs at more substituted end of double bond. One example is just given on your screen, that is 2-methylpropene. When undergoes oxidation in presence of the selenium dioxide, then it would be converted into 2-methylpropene 1-ol. In this example, one of the CH3 group is converted into CH2OH group. Second example is 2-methyl-2-butene. When these undergoes oxidation in presence of selenium dioxide, then it is converted into 3-methyl-but3 in 1-ol. In this oxidation, CH2 group is oxidized into CHOH group. Along with this, one CH3 group is also present in reactant. So that CH3 group is converted into CH2OH group and produces 2-methyl-prop2 in 1-ol. Out of this, first product, that is 2-methyl-but3 in 1-ol, is major product, while the second product, which is 2-methyl-prop2 in 1-ol, is minor. Let's discuss its mechanism in detail by taking the example of alkene. When alkene is reacted with the selenium dioxide, then pi bond of the alkene is shifted on selenium and new bond is formed between carbon and selenium. In next step, bond between carbon and hydrogen will be broken up. Due to this, hydrogen carries positive charge and that hydrogen is shifted towards oxygen and new product is formed according to in reaction, and that product is known as allylic selenic acid. The structure of it is just given on your screen. In this allylic selenic acid, pi bond of alkene is shifted on neighbor carbon. Due to this, CH2 carbon is converted into positively charged, and bond between carbon and selenium will also broken up. Due to this, selenium is converted into positive charged. Now oxygen will transfer its electron to positively charged CH2 and new molecule is formed according to 2,3 sigma tropic shift and forming allyloxy selenium hydroxide, and its structure is just given on your screen. When these allyloxy selenium hydroxide is hydrolyzed, then bond between oxygen and selenium is broken up. Due to this, oxygen carries negative charge and selenium carries positive charge. Now hydrogen from water will be attacked on oxygen minus, and OH minus from the water attacks on selenium plus and converted into allylic alcohol and H2SeO2. Now this allyloxy selenium hydroxide can also be converted into ketone group. When bond between selenium and OH will be broken up, then OH minus will be eliminated from these molecule. Due to this breaking, selenium is converted into positively charged, but oxygen which is present just beside the selenium will transfer its lone pair of electron to selenium and bond will be broken up. In third step, hydrogen is eliminated from the carbon and that carbon is converted into negative charge and will transfer its electron to oxygen and carbon bond, and it is converted into carbon oxygen double bond, and these hydrogen will combine with the OH minus. So in overall reaction, this allyloxy selenium hydroxide is converted into allylic carbonyl compound and water and selenium metal. Second application, oxidation of carbonyl compounds. Example is just given on your screen. Acetophenone, when oxidized in presence of SeO2 in aqueous dioxane solvent, then it would be converted into phenyl glyoxal. In second example, when cyclohexanone is oxidized in presence of selenium dioxide in aqueous dioxane, then it is converted into 1,2-cyclohexanedione. In this example, alpha carbon of carbonyl group is converted into C double bond O. In third example, when deoxybenzoin is oxidized in presence of SeO2 in acetic acid and water, then it would be converted into benzyl. In this example also, alpha carbon of the carbonyl group is converted into ketone group. Third application is oxidation of alkynes. When diphenylacetylene is oxidized in presence of SeO2 in acidic medium, then it would be converted into benzene. In this example, C triple bond C, this group is converted into diaketone. In second example, when phenylacetylene is oxidized in presence of SeO2 in acidic medium, then it would be converted into phenyl glycoxylic acid. In these examples, C triple bond C is converted into COCOOH. Fourth application is dehydrogenation. When hexane 2,5-dione is oxidized in presence of selenium dioxide, then it would be converted into hex 3-in-2,5-dione. In this example, CH2CH2 group is converted into CH double bond CH. In second example, when 1,4-diphenylethane is oxidized in presence of SeO2, then it would be converted into 1,4-diphenylethene. In these examples, CH2CH2 linkage is converted into CH double bond CH.